How is everyone doing today? Hope you're having a great day out there. Today I am going to be in the barn here. We have a little shelter here that we had one of our cats in that was just fixed. We had her in there for a week so that her stitches could heal, but now that she's out, we are going to turn this into a chicken brooder. My girlfriend wants to hatch a whole bunch of chickens and meat birds. So my chore today is to get some of this cleaned up. I gotta clean off all the cobwebs and then get all the hay and stuff out. And we need to insulate it so it's warm in here. So we've got a bunch of insulation, so I'll insulate all this. And then we need to get some vapor barrier as well to vapor barrier it up, and probably some plywood as well just to put over to hold insulation and everything in. So I'll get that started and show you guys the process. I'll be wearing my dust mask too because it's gonna be super dusty with all the cobwebs being brushed down. There we go. Years of the cobwebs. Okay, I'll let the dust out a little bit because it's super dusty now. Now I'll just start taking out all the stuff we had in here for the cat. All right, now I need to deal with all this straw and hay down here as well. So I'm gonna go grab the pitchfork and get it all out. All right, so I've got most of the hay cleaned up. I'm gonna give a quick sweep here. This is Bean here, chilling out. I've got most of the cobwebs down. I'm gonna keep going with a bit more with it and clean up the benches here. They're kind of gross. And we're gonna have to put some 2x4s on the roof here so we can get insulation in as well. But should be pretty quick to finish cleaning this up. So once I get that done, I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so I got the floor cleaned up mostly now, and the walls are pretty much cobweb free now. So now I need to track down some 2x4s that we pop up in the ceiling here and get them in. Probably need one or two, hopefully, at the most to pop up in. And then we'll show you the progress as we move on. All right, so we've got the first timber cut. That will be popping up here at 16-inch intervals for the insulation. You know what, just like I'm gonna pop a screw in here first just to get it secured so it's quicker. Okay. Yeah, right there is good.
You got it?
Yeah, go. Another screw over there, and then we do another beam here. Okay, how's that looking now? Better? Yep. All right, we're gonna take the shelves out so that we can insulate it properly. And then we might try some hanging cages instead so that it's easier to scoop all the chicken poop out instead of having to move everything all the time. So once I get these out, I'll show you how this room looks. Okay, I just have the camera here, so yeah. Definitely better lighting in here. Hi, Dean.
It's bad when the barn light is
There we go, going along nicely. Getting all the nails out of the walls because he hung a whole bunch of stuff in here previously. So that all the nails out, so the insulation goes up nicely. We got a brighter light in here so that we can see. So there we go, shelves are out. We're gonna take off the last few pieces here. Gotta pop that one off. And we can get some insulation started really quickly here. Probably just a quick sweep as well to get all the straw out. Got all the shelving out here. Looks way bigger. I'm going to be going through and caulking some of these. This is pretty big, but gotta caulk some of these outside walls so that keeps it a bit drier in here. Especially this one's not too bad because there's a shutter on the other side. But this one definitely needs some. So I'll get to that quickly and then probably call it the day while that dries. All right, the chicken room is coming along nicely here. Super cold today. It's dropped down to like minus 20 overnight. I think it's probably like minus 15 now in the morning here. But a little update of what I've done. I've spray foamed some of the holes that were kind of open to the outside still, where you could see light coming through. I've got insulation up on part of it. I got some more insulation here, so I'm going to finish trying to insulate this today and maybe get some vapor barrier up and we'll be well on our way. See if I can't show you guys some insulation up here quickly. Putting insulation in is pretty fast and easy. There we go, got that done. That bag did not go very far at all. So I'm gonna grab the other bag and try to finish this off now. Okay, so I got some more insulation on the chicken brooder here. Looking good. We've got two up there. Once my girlfriend gets back, she's gotta help me with the other insulation up here because it's a little wide. The insulation is maybe like half an inch too short, so it's falling out. But before she gets back, I'm hopefully going to get some vapor barrier up quickly. So once she gets back, all we have to do is pop the roof in, get some board up, and we'll hopefully have this done by today, or most of it anyways. Electrician still needs to come back and put a plug socket in. So we're gonna have a heater in here. I'm just gonna put a few shelvings up and we're good to go. So once we get to that step, I'll show you that. Right, so I put some vapor barrier just up on the side. We just gotta staple down the sides here. You're the trusty stapler for right now. I see how she does. Is this your first time using a stapler? That's good. She's qualified then. It's amazing how quiet it is in here already with just this insulation going. This chicken room's coming along pretty quickly, isn't it? Yeah. It's pretty exciting. Yeah, we need to get this done. Okay, once I get this done, or when she gets this part done, we'll show you the next step of getting the rest of it done. All right, on the outside wall here, I've doubled up the insulation here so that it keeps it a lot much warmer in here. I may double this side up too because that's an outside wall as well, but it's wood shed on the other side, so it should be okay. I'm just mostly concerned about the outside one there. And got the staples coming nicely around the door. So once that's done, I'll cut it out with a X-Acto knife, and then we'll continue on. Okay, we have the roof insulation up and the vapor barrier. Kristen's just gonna put another quick layer on the outside wall because we had enough bats, so may as well. Be a nice cozy chicken brooder in here. Chickens will be happy. It's amazing how warm it already feels now with just these few bats up. Okay, we'll get the plastic finished off and show you what it looks like when we're done. Oh, hi Orson. This is Orson here. He's coming to supervise us. Can you say hi to everybody? I guess no. All right, I've got this floor swept. We're gonna be putting linoleum down on the floor, and I'm gonna put up the sides a wee bit as well, so that's more waterproof and easier to clean when we get the chickens in. Afterthought, we need to put a ventilation in there, so we're probably gonna put a fan in there later on once the chickens are in here, so we can blow some of the air out and then have it good ventilation for the chickens, so you're getting all the ammonia sent out and all the stink. And then close. I'm gonna go grab the wood for the sides, and we'll be back to show you that. Okay, I've got the wood here, and of course it's the walls are a little shorter than 8 feet, which means we're gonna have to trim this down just a bit, which kind of sucks, but you gotta do what you gotta do here. So once we get it cut up in a few pieces up, I'll show you how she looks. We got some wood up now. Looking good so far. It's 1/4 inch we got. I thought 1/4 inch was going to be a bit thicker, but it's okay. It's going to work. So 2 sheets up. Got another 10 to go, I think. And then we got to figure out cutting around the door, cutting around the light, and then get the roof on. Keep you updated with the progress. Nice work down there. It's going along nicely, isn't it? We're gonna pop up this other board up there, then probably go for lunch and come back and hopefully get most of it done after lunch. And I need to pop this nail out quickly first, otherwise that's gonna be messy. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
We dropped a screw.
I know. Dropped a couple.
Okay, so we have got most of the boards on in the roof. Since this room is not square, you can tell lots of waves and some gaps, so we're going to probably get a 2x4s to kind of seal the gaps in, and same down here, there's no 2x4 down the side here, so it's a bit dodgy, but whatever. Got to do what you got to do here and work with what you have. So we just need to do this one last piece here, and then we're going to put linoleum on the floor, and then we're pretty close to having this room ready to rock and roll. We just got to figure out where to put the hole in the wall, because it might not match up to how the measurements are. As you can tell, the old joist or the ceiling ones weren't very level. It's a bit of a whoop-de-doo in there. But we'll make it work. It's just for chickens. Chickens aren't picky, I don't think. So once we get the next portion done, I'll show you how it looks. All right, got the floor down. Can't remember if I ever shut this or not, but we've got the heater on in here. It's super toasty warm now. Wanted it so we could make this stuff a bit more pliable so it doesn't crack along the sides like it was starting already there. So once Kristen gets back out here, we're going to do a few cuts so we can fit into the corners, and then get this other piece down here. I think we'll be laughing. So once I get that down and organized up, we will show you how it looks. There we go. Got the floor stapled in nicely. Just gonna keep it so it's nice and waterproof in here, so it's easier to clean. Chickens, we still gotta do some shelving for the chickens here. And we still have to put this last board up, but not too concerned about that right now. So there you go. There's a little chicken brooder we made. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Once we get it fully finished, I'll do a separate video of it fully finished and shelves up and all that cool stuff going on. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, share it around, and we'll see you out there. Have a great day.